Hello student, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all will be happy, healthy and safe at your home. We all are meeting after a long time, so I know you must be missing me. So in today's session, we are going to deal with number of MCQs of module number 1, and this all the MCQs playing very important role in SY classes. So please all the commerce student and self-finance courses watch entire video and go through all the MCQs. It will definitely help you. So let's start with the today's session. So the first MCQ is dash is not a subject matter of macroeconomics. Options are national income accounting, laws of demand and supply, business cycle and general price level. So your correct answer is laws of demand and supply. Next is the school of thought in macroeconomics focuses on the role of money supply and central bank. Options are development economics, public finance, monetary economics, trade cycle theories. So correct answer is monetary economics. Monetary economics focus on the role of money supply and central bank. Question number 3. Dash opinion have revolutionized the scope of macroeconomics. So correct answer is J.M. Keynes. J.M. Keynes is known as the father of macroeconomics. Next is the concept of monetarism led by Dash. So the concept of monetarism led by Milton Friedman. Milton Friedman focuses on the role of money supply and RBI, which help to maintain price stability. Next is dash is leakages in a circular flow of income. So as we know, circular flow of income means movement of income from one sector to another sector. So in circular flow of income, the leakages are saving, then taxes, import. So in the option saving has given, so the correct answer is saving is a leakages in a circular flow of income. Leakages means money flow from market to other part. Next is macroeconomics deals with dash. So macroeconomics always deals with a large unit. Next is microeconomics word derived from dash language and dash word. So the microeconomics word derived from Greek word from micros. Micros means study in a small. Next is two-sector model included in a dash economy. Two-sector model does not deal with the government and international trade. So two-sector model included in a closed economy. Next is the diagram that shows the income received and payment made by each sector of economy. The diagram is known as circular flow diagram. Circular flow diagram means income move from one place to another place, or income move from one sector to another sector. Next is the real flow is the movement of dash. In circular flow of income, the real flow is a flow of factor of production and movement of goods and services. So first option is correct. Next is which one of the following type of economic deal with the rest of the world. So the economy open economy is the correct answer. Open economy deal with the rest of the world. Next is the government will levy taxes on dash. So the government will levy taxes on household as well as firm. So C answer is correct, that is both A and B. Government levy income tax on a household and corporate tax on firm. Next is dash is a user and seller of goods and services. So user and a seller of a goods and services are household and a firm. Dash is a producer and seller of goods and services. So producer and seller of goods and services is firm. So correct answer is firm. Next is in circular flow of income, dash is the owner of factor of production. So in circular flow of income, household is the owner of factor of production. Next, the economy will be in equilibrium when leakages and injection are equal. The economy will be equilibrium when leakages and injection are equal. See, in circular flow of income, leakages are saving, taxation and import, and injection are investment, expenditure and export. So when all these three will be equal, that time economy will be in equilibrium point. So the economy will be in equilibrium point where leakages and injection are equal. Next, dash is true for a two-sector closed economy. So the first option is correct, that is Y equals C plus I. Next is dash is true for a three-sector closed economy. Correct answer is Y equals C plus I plus G, because in three-sector model government involvement is there. Next is dash is true for open economy. Last answer is correct, that is y equals c plus I plus g and x, because open economy deal with the rest of the world, so it include net income from abroad. Next is outer flow in a circular of income is called dash. So outer flow in a circular flow of income is known as money, because in outer flow there is a flow of money from firm to household in a form of rent, wages and interest, and there is a flow of money from household to firm in a form of payment of goods and services. So outer flow in a circular flow of income is known as money. Next is national income is the flow of goods and services produced in an economy in course of dash a year. National income we calculate year wise, so for correct answer is a year. There are dash method of measuring national income. There are total 3 method of measuring national income, that is output method, income method and outlay method. Next is dash is the leakages in a 3-sector model of circular flow of national income. So correct answer is taxes, because taxes means money flow from market to government. Next is inner flow in a circulation of income is called dash. So inner flow in a circulation of income is called real flow, because there is a flow of factor of production from household to firm and flow of goods and services from firm to household. So inner flow is called real flow. Next is dash is the total money value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a year. So in 1 year whatever income government earn without including net income from abroad, that is called GDP. GDP means the money value of goods and services produced within domestic territory of a country in an 1 year. GDP means gross domestic product. Next is dash the total money value of final goods and services produced by country during a given year, that is GNI. See, what is the difference between GDP and GNI? GDP does not include net income from abroad and GNI include net income from abroad. Next is dash measures the real growth of economy. So GDP at constant prices measure the real growth of economy. GDP at constant prices means GDP based on base year. Next is which of the following is the sum of all income actually received by the people in a country, that is a personal income. Personal income means income received by a person in a year, whether it is earned and unearned. The circular flow stabilizes a link between dash and consumer. Circular flow always stabilizes a link between producer and consumer. Next is dash equal national income upon size of population, that is PCI, per capita income. Per capita income means average income of per person. So to find out per capita income, the formula is national income upon size of population. Next is the term green GNP emphasize on dash. So the term green GNP emphasize on sustainable development. Next is national income is a dash concept. So national income is a flow concept. Next is in India national income is computed by dash. So in India national income is always computed by CSO, that is the Central Statistical Organization. Next is expenditure method is also called dash. Expenditure method is also known as outlay method. Expenditure method is also known as outlay method. Next is there are dash phases in a business cycle. There are total 4 phases in a business cycle, that is recession, recovery, prosperity, recession, depression. The format will be like that: recovery, prosperity, recession, depression. So there are total 4 phases in a business cycle. Next is the recession phase of a trade cycle begin at dash. So the recession phase of a trade cycle always begin at peak point. Peak point means highest point of trade cycle. When economy is not able to sustain at a peak point, that time started to fall down and we enter into recession. So the recession phase of trade cycle always begin at peak point. Next is during recession and depression public expenditure should be dash. So during recession and depression already economy work at a low level. So that time public expenditure should always increase. Then which of the following is not a monetary measures to curb trade cycle? Option is taxation. Taxation generally imposed by fiscal policy. So the taxation is not a monetary measure of a monetary measures. It is a fiscal measures. Next is the classical theory of employment propounded by dash. So the classical theory of employment propounded by Adam Smith, J.B. says, J.S. Mills, and last option is all of these. So the correct answer will be all of these. These all are classical economists. Next is Say's law is based on which of the following assumption? So Say's law is based on perfect competition, market economy, both A and B, and short term period. So the correct answer will be both A and B. Say's law is based on which of the following assumption? Your correct answer will be both A and B. Next is according to Say's law of market, there is dash. So according to Say's law of a market, supply creates its own demand. Say's law of a market based on one of the very important statement, that is the supply creates its own demand. Next is the classical theory Say's law of market was named after dash. So the classical theory Say's law of market was named after J.B. Say. He is a French economist. Next is dash is the lowest point of trade cycle. Trough is the lowest point of trade cycle. Next is during depression fiscal policy will be adopt dash measure. See, during depression already economy work at very low level. So what type of measures can adopt by fiscal policy? So options are increase tax, decrease expenditure, decrease tax, increase expenditure, and tax and expenditure both remain same. So as we know very well, during depression already economy work at a low level, so that time fiscal policy always adopt the measure, that is they will decrease tax on people and increase expenditure for welfare of people. So student, it's my humble request, please watch entire video and go through all the MCQs. These are definitely useful for your exam, and please write in comment box how this video is helpful for you. Share to all your friends, all the SY Become student, BEF student, BMS student, BFM student. This video will definitely help you to clear so many concepts. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay happy, healthy and safe at